old filtration system. This is our natural filtration system. We serve ourselves from the aquifer in this area. If it's not needed for basement and for footing, we should work around the land and dictate that by the drainage and whatnot, not by necessarily making money out of taking precious sand. Now, we were talking about mobility fees earlier. This is another way of a mobility fee in the developer could go then and there if they are going to use the roads, and the wear and tear in the road can go. So when we do the roads, those are the ones who had the highest impact on the road because of whatever 1,000 dump trucks they had used. So that's another thing maybe you want to look at, and that will discourage them at that point from doing that unless the cost, my understanding, the cost of selling sand nowadays is very high for construction. So we need to be mindful of that. The last point here is we need to start thinking about what is a community. Why we reach out to a community, so you would hear all these points. We have vested interests, we are residents. But if you reach out to the 300, 400, 500, you are not getting a community. What is your community is based on the density. You think, I wake up in the morning, I go, I get my coffee, I stop at the bank, I go to grocery, I drop off my kids. That's my community. It's never 500 feet, it's never 600 feet. If I had a say in a project in International Parkway and I knew about it in time, I would have objected to it to make it beautiful because it's just ugly and it's called Broadstone. I'm just bringing that. So what I'm saying, please, let's enlarge that, that notification, and let's use it on Nextdoor because nobody reads Centennial and Herald. Very few people do. So thank you so much for all the job you're doing and for giving us the opportunity to be here.
Thank you.